You know what I mean, don't you? It's easy, isn't it? Let's check.
You are British, aren't you? She is beautiful, isn't she? He plays football, doesn't he? They can swim, can't they? It was cold yesterday, wasn't it? You haven't finished yet, have you? Positive goes to negative, negative goes to positive. Confirm the facts, check the truth. You are seeking eternal youth, aren't you? He didn't call, did he? We are late, aren't we? You like pizza, don't you? She lived here, didn't she? I am right, aren't I? We should go, shouldn't we? They won't come, will they? You have been there, haven't you? Positive goes to negative, negative goes to positive. Confirm the facts, check the truth. You are seeking eternal youth, aren't you? He didn't call, did he? We are late, aren't we? Intonation down means confirming. Intonation up means asking.